Your payments can be collected in today's video in under 10 seconds. You can repeatedly earn $5, $10, and $20 in less than 10 seconds. And you can cash out using PayPal, cryptocurrencies, bank transfers, Pioneer, and a range of other free payment methods that are accessible worldwide. I'll walk you through a real-life scenario and demonstrate how to do it for $5 in under 10 seconds without spending any money to get started. It's a straightforward method for a newcomer to begin earning money every day without selling recommendations, engaging in affiliate marketing, gaining followers, or doing anything hard. But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them. I'm going to show you a website called FiveSquid to introduce the current video. You can now visit www.fivesquid.com, but before you do, I advise you to watch the complete film here first. You don't want to miss out on this opportunity to make sure that you truly get paid, because I'll show you a ton of instances, proof, and a secret extra at the end of the video. Basically, users use this website to purchase, sell, and request a variety of services, which typically cost around $5. Look here, if you scroll down, you'll see a list of services offered by others. Don't worry, I won't ask you to create any graphics or films or anything like. I'll make an effort to make things as simple as I can for you. I'll show you a totally free method that you may employ right away to withdraw $5 in less than 10 seconds. You can see that they are still getting money into their PayPal account straight. There are a number of alternatives ways you can get their money if you don't have a PayPal account. Therefore, you can click on this button to identify the various categories that can earn us money on our website when you visit the FiveSquid.com homepage. Among these are graphic design, online marketing, music, writing, and translation. You don't require any technological know-how. You don't have to sign any documents. You don't even have to create any videos, and you don't even have to generate any sales. Now, I want to show you something on this website that is genuinely unique and that no one else is talking about, because it is a brand new product on the market. I want you to click on the exact category labeled Your Message On under the other area here before clicking on this link, which will take you to this website describing this incredibly unique service named Your Message On. With this, you can locate individuals from all over the globe who are earning $5 for only providing the service of Your Message On. Simply click on the service button here to be taken to this page, where you can see how I'll have Mr. Bean hold a wooden board with your company's logo or text itch on it. You can now earn more than $5 if £5 are converted to US dollars. Although this platform may charge you a little processing fee, be assured that you will still keep $5 for each service you offer. You can now watch a preview of the item right here, which will let you respond to every word you want as if Mr. Bean were holding your logo or text itch on a wooden board. Many people will find this to be a very good service, and they will buy the item. You can see that the vendor regularly provides a number of services for between $5 and $20. You could be asking yourself, how am I going to do that? How am I going to write anything on this wooden board that I want? Don't worry, I'll show you how to accomplish it in this video. Let's go to the website Hitamil.com and search for Einstein to get a dynamic image of the scientist. This is exactly what you're thinking right now, as you can see. And as you can see, this prepared image allows you to add your own text. Simply type whatever you want here. Press the Alter Image button, and the text will be displayed on the image. For instance, by default, they will display both this text and the equation on the right. So, let's suppose I have the freedom to post whatever my customer want. But for this video, I'll put Welcome to Daily Cash Tips and change this right here to subscribe to my channel and like this video. To make the change, I'll just click on this button. You're really only going to use this for that. At Hitamil.com, it is completely finished for you. You may produce finish for your image in the same way, depending on what your customer needs. As you can see, people are charging actual money for this. Simply compose 3 messages in this manner and charge £5. The fact that this particular freelancer has positive feedback on their profile shows that clients have used their services, which shows that there is a need for the service and you can meet it without having any technical or graphic design expertise. You can create graphics similar to this by going to the Hitamil website and changing the wording to reflect your client's requests. You can use a snipping tool on a PC or computer, or you can just capture a screenshot on a smartphone. You can now get $5 in less than 10 seconds if you simply save it on your phone or computer and transmit it to a customer. If you don't want to utilize the done-for-you Einstein template, you can alternatively use Uncle Sam and Quaker. For instance, I can edit the text on the photographs that says, "Done for you" when I click on this template right here. There are many people who would like you to change the design for them, and on our website you can do it pretty easily. Anyway, let's use this Quaker scenario as an example. You can change the image once more on this page by clicking the link provided. You can see that's really quite creative and entertaining, and you could just provide all the services on FiveSquid.com. You're going to sign up for a free account by clicking the join button at the top, which will take you to this page because there are a lot of vendors selling a range of services under this category. Your message on in exchange for $5. Simply enter your email address and click the proceed button to register for free right away. As promised, I'll show you another bonus at the conclusion of the video. This one is from Fiverr, and it's another incredibly original category search for the phrase "Your Message On" by Albert Einstein. You'll see that a few folk are utilizing this popular trend right now. If you continue to make this video, you will have an early opportunity to go to Fiverr.com or FiveSquid.com and sell the same equivalent services for $5 repeatedly. As you can see, there are 1 to 5 services listed here, and you can earn $5 for each one. That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and that I was able to show you a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notification bell button. Watch for our upcoming video, and I'll see you there.